Safe, clean, and sanitized workplaces reduce the likelihood of illness, injury, and absenteeism. That's why you should commit to safety at a range of touch points with a full facility focus. Let's review some strategies and solutions to keep your consumers, patients, associates, and team members safe. Tip number 1, food safety comes first. Control allergens and cross-contamination by using color-coded solutions and store foods in NSF-certified containers. Tip number 2, maintain a clean and well-organized back of house. Kitchens, especially food prep areas, are filled with contaminants that can easily be transferred to food, then ultimately consumers. Tip number 3, maintain a full facility view. From the entry to the exit and everywhere in between. Implement building-wide cleaning protocols to keep people safe at every touch point. Tip number 4, make employee safety a priority. Reduce the risk of injuries, burns, cuts, falls, or exposure by keeping surfaces and surface areas clean and free of clutter. CFS Brands, your partner in grind. For more information, contact your sales representative. CFS Brands, designing value, delivering success.